Hey guys, welcome to the Be Chic Studio. I just got in the mail 3 new essential stencil stamps. Love, Mercy, Act Justly, and let's see, Walk Humbly. Oh my gosh, I think these are so sweet. I can't wait to get started. So there's a total of 3 in this set, and I went ahead and started with 2 that were base coat of pea coat, 1 base coat of Sunday tea. So with the pea coat, I stippled with Sunday tea. With the one you see I'm drying here, I went ahead and started to stipple with the pea coat. But make sure that you press down firmly on the entire thing as you start to stipple. It's really important that you get consistent, even results. Don't try to goop it or glop it on there. You have to wipe off the excess and stipple up and down. Do not slant your brush, because that is how you get the paint to slide underneath, and that is when you get that messy look. Eek, we don't want it to look like that. So just go up and down and make sure you have a pretty dry brush doing this, and you'll have some good success. Almost done. Oh, look at this, guys. I'm so excited. It turned out beautiful. This one's Act Justly, and you'll see its partners in just a minute as I show you all of these. They are so beautiful together. I just love this combination of pea coat and Sunday tea. This is all country chic paint and essential stencils. That is like a tongue twister, guys, sorry. Anyway, so this is the trio, totally cute. So if this is something that you want to try, we definitely have the products online for you to try out. Or hey, if you just want to get a gift, I can put these on my website and you can purchase them as a gift. These are great all year long. So again, use Sunday tea, pea coat, and I also used our essential stencils, the brand new set. This is so cute, guys. Thank you so much. Check us out. We are on Facebook, Instagram, and of course we're here at YouTube. Everything can be purchased at bechictreasures.com. We love everybody, and thank you so much for being here.